I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So I am gonna go from 0 to 100 with a sculpted base, but first let me introduce the name of our new acrylic line. Oh my god, like how freaking exciting! Our acrylic system hasn't launched yet, but we have a few items releasing before that. We've got the nail forms and our brushes and possibly a few others as well. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I do a clear sculpted base using the Nailmate nail forms, and these are the 3XL, so you can do extreme, salon style and medium length nails with these forms. So I like to just apply it as so. Yeah, I just am loving these forms. I love how snug they fit, how close to that nail plate they fit, and oh, honestly guys, they are just bomb. Like seriously, can you see that? Have you ever even seen that with a nail form? Usually you can see little gaps and just issues. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So first I'm coming in with the primer, and this is from the Nailmate brand. As you saw, I went ahead and wiped off any excess on the towel on the table, and then I'm just applying a small amount to the nail plate. Next I'm coming in with our clear acrylic, which is launching with the core line in 2018. I haven't got an exact date as of yet, but it will be coming soon. So first of all, I'm just going ahead and sculpting the free edge and the length of the nail, and you want to make sure that you do this super thin because it literally is just acting as a base. So you want it as thin as a nail tip, like for real. You don't want any thickness to this at all, and if you do make it quite thick, say if you're learning or just generally it's just a little bit too thick, you can just come in with your hand file afterwards, make sure to thin and even everything out, which I do anyway because you might as well. Like, it's better to have a bomb base because you're just going to make it so much easier for yourself to then go ahead and apply your acrylic design straight over the top of that. So when sculpting the free edge, try and make it to as close to the shape that you want in the end. This way you're going to minimize your filing time and everything is just going to be sped up, and you're not going to be doing your own nails for hours on end, which usually I am. Sometimes it can take me a number of days, usually because I'll sort of like do a little bit here and there, but to be honest, this set doing both hands really didn't take that long. Like, I was pretty damn proud of myself. I'm thinking it was maybe 3.5 hours, which is a long time, I understand, but for me, trust me, that ain't long, okay? Can you peep that hollow brush? Like, seriously guys, are you so excited or what? I don't know if it's going to be out right now because I'm I've pre-filmed these, but then I'm doing the voiceover like a few weeks later, and then I have no idea when they're going up. So the brushes and the forms may well already have launched. If they have, I'll have them listed down below for you guys and you can go ahead and check them out. But seriously, just look how bomb. This is the number 10, and honestly the hollow, I couldn't quite pick it up on camera. You can see it a little bit there, but it is just freaking adorable. It's slightly different as well than this because I changed a little bit more, because this was one of the samples. I got so many samples. I've been testing this brush for months, like seriously months. You don't even know, but you will not be disappointed, I can guarantee you that. You guys know that when I find a brush, it is like a brush for life kind of thing, and my previous brush was bomb. The one that wasn't from me, it was the Winnestonia number 12 or 14 I think, but I have made this brush to be absolutely perfect and I just love it so much. So if you guys are wanting to try and find a new brush, then I can obviously highly recommend this one. It's not too flat, it's not too round, it's not too pointy, it's not too fat. It's just perfecto, okay? Obviously you can make your own judgments by watching the vid, okay? And I am just loving how beautiful our acrylic flows and how effortless nails can be created. It's literally just like butter. Seriously, it is gorgeous. And I've developed a system that has a maximum sculpting time of around 1 minute 20 seconds, which is a long time. Sorry, that's when it's fully dry, so you get a lot of play time with that acrylic. It's not just gonna go on the nail and bam, it's set, like you cannot move it anywhere. You have plenty of time, so this is gonna suit a lot of techs, beginners, intermediate, even advanced. Like I would consider myself as an advanced or pro tech because I've been doing nails so long, and it suits me down to a T. And I do know some techs are a lot faster. We will be bringing out variations of systems, so we'll have like competition, salon, basic, you know, random stuff here and there. But let's get back to this vid. So I've sculpted the majority of the nails, and now I'm coming in with my file, and these are the 180 grit files from glitterplanetuk.com. Absolutely love them so much. Super durable, super strong and long lasting. And I'm just going to go ahead and refine the side walls, make sure that they are coming straight out and that everything is in alignment. And then once I've done that, I'll go ahead and file and buff the top of the nail. Sorry, I don't buff it, I just file it. But this is me just making sure that everything's even, flush, smooth, and making sure that the base is really like just bomb. So that is what the nail will look like, as you can see, the one that I've filed. And then I'll go ahead and do them all. I've just applied some sanitizer and I'm showing you some pictures from different angles so you guys can really get a feel for how thin that base is. I mean, it is super thin. You want it as thin just so you've got enough strength there to be able to file them without breaking, but you know what I'm saying, you don't want them thick because this is just the support for the design. It's not any strength, it's nothing like that, it's just the support. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will be doing a design on top of this, so don't forget to check out that video when it's up. And if you enjoyed this vid, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next one. And please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Goodbye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.